Okay, now I'll be showing how to live stream using OBS software. So I'll be sharing you only the part of creating a live stream and then how to go live through OBS. Okay, rest of the functionality of OBS, how to use it, I'll be showing you in later part. But first, let's check it over here. Now log into your YouTube page. Okay, that is if you're logging to YouTube, you'll be getting this page when you're logging with your credential. After getting login in, you'll be clicking it over here and go to your channel. Okay, here. Okay, or else from the home page itself, from the YouTube, you can click on this button. Okay, this button is already active over here. You can click go live. Okay, when you're clicking go live, this will be taking you to this page. Okay, here you can create a stream, you can use your webcam, you can manage the created stream. Now this is the test stream which I have created. Okay, so I can use that setting itself. Okay, but uh, for now I'll not be using that. I'll be creating a fully new stream. Okay, so I'll be creating a title is say suppose it how to live stream, stream. This is my live stream. Okay, how to live stream. Then do you want it to be public? It will be available to anyone who is searching with the link. Okay, or else if you want, you can say keep it unlisted. Unlisted will be the thing which will be available to only person who are having the active link of this stream. They can only view this stream. Private, you can keep it private, that means only you can see, or else whoever whose ever id you are adding to this stream, they can see the stream. Okay, means you have to manually select a individual person who can see this stream. Okay, upload custom thumbnail. Okay, just before while clicking that, you'll be able to select some custom thumbnail, to which say suppose I'm selecting this. Okay, this will be the custom thumbnail. Description, whatever description you want, you can say, you can put that. Okay, uh, here now this is animation, vehicle, music, pet, sports, whatever type of event it is, that way. Okay, travel and events, entertainment. Now here how to end style, this is coming to the category how to end style, so I'll be doing this as how to end style. You can go for education, how to end style. And then now I'm creating a live stream. If I want to go live right now, I'll be just clicking it over here, create a stream. But if I want to schedule it for later, say suppose I am scheduling it for later, that's for tomorrow or today, and say suppose I want to go live at say 4:15. Okay, I'll be selecting time in 24-hour format. And then if you want your stream to be age restricted, that is it should not be so here I am selecting it's made for kids, so here no comments, nothing will be available. Okay, but if you are not made for kid, then you can put age restriction, that whoever is above 18 they can see, or else okay, restrict my or don't restrict my video. Okay, for this I'll be leaving it as it is. I don't want it to be age restricted, but it can be watched by anyone. Okay, then here all the settings are done. Name of the stream, it's available for say for my known person who are having the links. Then ABC, or whatever the description you want, that is, then category, timing, thumbnail, and nothing. And here create a stream. Now this stream has been created. Now this is the control screen of your live stream. When you're controlling your live stream, depending upon the encoding software, connect the streaming software, that is the encoder, software encoder. Okay, this will be visible to you as it is there. Okay, so now like let's see one by one what are all the things over here. Okay, see that's here you'll be getting this thing. Here you'll be getting the link. You can copy this link and you can send this link. This is the link which person will be clicking to log into your stream. Okay, and then uh, this is all you think. You can edit this again, category, how and style and all, everything you can edit over here. When the stream is going live, that time you'll be able to chat from here. Whoever is chatting, that chat will be visible to you, and when you're whatever you're commenting will be going from your account from here. Okay, now the main thing for creating the stream has been done. Okay, now going live, that's the second part of the this thing, a video. Okay, stream has been created. Now select that stream key. This is auto generated. Create new stream key, auto generated, or some whatever the thing is there. Okay, so here I have kept it to auto generated. It will be different for every video stream which we are creating. Stream key, see, this is a stream key. This is a random number which has been generated. We'll be copying this stream key, which will be putting this in settings tab. Okay, now when you're going to this window, what is visible to you is this dialog box. Okay, here these are the general setting and all, but we need this stream. We'll be going to this. Here is the number. It's the for the previous stream which I have kept. We'll be putting our new stream key. Okay, and then okay, we'll be applying. Okay, okay, for now just for now what I'll be doing is I'm changing settings, stream key, control V. Okay, apply. Okay, now here is the button of start streaming. Now every setting and all extractor has been done. I'll be clicking start streaming. Okay, when you're clicking the start streaming, uh, yeah, now this button will be going highlighted, or it will be going live. Okay, we'll have to wait for a while. Let the streaming software connect it to it, and then this will be becoming blue, or it will be glowing that it's okay. Yeah, it we are good to go live. This button is highlighted. Now whenever we are clicking this button, go live, say I have created it for 4:15. On 4:15 we can go live. Now here when we are clicking this go live, that can go whatever the things are there, that will be live. Okay, and this is the preview window. Whatever the things are there on your screen, that's there. Okay, so I have clicked go live. Now we are going live. Yeah, you're live. So this stream has been created and it is live for now. And as I have told you, copy. See, now I have copied the stream URL, and then I'll be showing you how it's visible on YouTube. The stream URL, and then I'll be showing you how it's visible on YouTube. See, if for now, and as I have told you, copy. See, now I have copied the stream uh, URL, and then I'll be showing you how it's visible on YouTube. That's it. I'll be showing you how to end the stream, and then in next part I'll be showing you how to operate with OBS Create. Okay. The stream, yeah, URL, and then let's mute it. Otherwise it would be taking voiceover from there. Now as I'm live for almost 1 minute 40 seconds, and this is the stream now. As the video or the event which has been done, then after that you'll be clicking this end stream button. Okay, either you'll be clicking the end stream button from here, or you'll be stopping the stream from here. But when you're stopping the stream from here, you'll be, yeah, this will go, this will be shut off. Okay, and end stream, yes, end stream. Okay, this is the analysis now. Peak concurrent, now I was the only one who was watching that live stream, so it is there. Playbacks, two playbacks are there. Probably one will be this preview and other one that. Okay, average watch time was for 1 minute, and all this is your analysis what you are doing. Okay, and thus we have created a stream. Okay, so